welcome back to our channel. Say hi guys. Hi guys. So today I'm showing you things that I got for Esmeralda, and most of the things here are from Primark, as always. You know guys, I love so much Primark. So yes, I just love Primark because the things are so affordable. Like to buy in Primark is one of my favorite things, and I think because here Primark is new. Like, it's not that new, but it has been here for 1 year now, so we're still not used to it, and we love shopping in Primark. I just bought like 3 things from Zara, but first I'm going to show you things that I got from Primark. So Esmeralda will try some of these things and show you how fit. So first item is this beautiful dress. During this winter she can wear this with a stocking, and this was 10 euro before, and I got it for 7 euro. And the next item is this beautiful cheetah dress, and this is the same like the other one. It's like a dress or the blouse, but I think during this time of winter she can wear with a stocking or with a black skinny jeans or tight. And this was I don't think if it still has the okay, and this was 9 euro. I'm going to style this with a belt so that you can have a little bit of style because it's a little bit large. Yes, but the size is 2 to 3 years. Next is this pajama. It came with this and was in sale because on Christmas, I think if you watch my last haul, I think you have seen guys, I bought same pajama but was a Christmas pajama, and Esmeralda loved that so much, and she doesn't have to put sweater on, so that's why I love this, and I buy 2 pair of this, but I will show you guys the other one on the video when she tried. And this one was 8 euro and the other one too was 8 euro. Sweater. She doesn't have anything yellow, so I think this is cute. Yes. This was 4 euro and it's very nice, the cotton, like soft cotton. That's what I love about this. Okay, say hi. Next is these 2 trousers, which was 2 of them was 7 euro, black and pink. And I got these sneakers, white sneakers for school. It's just simple sneaker for school so that she can have more pair of sneakers. Sometimes she needs to change, you know, kids, they make dirty so much the shoes. And another pair of shoes are these boots. So this boot were, I don't have here the price, but this I take myself was 10 euro and number 23. And I got this from Zara, just like this kind of sweater. I don't like so much the zipper one. This was 10 euro. It's just so cute. I like gray color, and gray looks so good on Esme, even black. That's why I decided to take it gray. It's just beautiful color. Then I got this tights. This was 3 euro. It's just nice elastic tights for 3 euro. I think 4 euro because 3.95. So the tight, this was from Primark, I forgot to show you. And this is 4 euro. L power. Now I'm showing you guys things for Terry, and you want to show them your things. I got this pair of bodysuit and was 10 euro, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pair of bodysuit for 10 euro. If you have watched my newborn haul, I bought the same type of bodysuits and was same price, and I'll put the link down below so that you can see if you're interested. I just like the color of this bodysuit. Yes. And another thing is this sweater, and was €8. So my husband, he ended up buying the same t-shirt, and I bought the same t-shirt for Terry last time. I think you have seen this in my last haul, and this was how much? €1. Another thing that I get is this how you call this, bodysuit, but it's so good because it's heavy. I mean, when you go out, you don't need to put him sweater, just this, and the jacket up, and jacket up, not up, and jacket up, and he's ready to go. So this one is very good, guys. Look. Oh, those are the things that I got from Primark and pieces of clothes from Zara. If you like it, please give this video a thumbs up. And Teresa's pooping. Are you pooping? Are you pooping? Eh? Is that how you say bye to everyone? Eh? Is that how you say bye to everyone? So, thank you guys for watching, and subscribe to my channel, please. So, I'll see you on my next haul, which I'll be showing you things that I got for myself. Bye, guys!